Hey everyone, Ian here, back with another Marvel Strike Force video. It's been a while, but I've got 59 red star orbs and I'm ready to open them. Let's do it. I know I say this every video, but maybe this video will be different. Maybe I will get a 7 red star, my first. Let's find out. Orb number 1. Not a good start. Pretty sure, yep, that's a duplicate. Duplicate. Alright, let's go. Let's get something better. It is a duplicate still. Black Bolt. Take a 7-star Black Bolt. Well, let's get some gold. Purple. That's going to be a duplicate. I believe I already have 5 on Magneto. Need something here. Purple. Oh, that could be good. Alright, it is an upgrade. Pretty big upgrade too. 1 to 4. That's another one. Would love to get 7-star Hella. At this point, I would say every 1 and 2 is going to be a duplicate for me. Come on, here's a purple. Nope. Still got 23 left. But I haven't got anything so far. Ooh, that could be good. Yes! That is awesome for war. Perfect. Yeah, that's a duplicate. Down to 10. Alright, come on. Give me something here. Oh, 6-star. That is great. Yes, I got a 6-star. Okay, it's not a 7, but I will take it. I will definitely take a 6-star. Punisher. Absolutely. Alright. Feeling better now. Feeling better. 5 left. Last one. Alright. Let's take a look. So, I did technically get 5 upgrades. 2, well, I'd say 3 really good ones. So we got the 6-star Punisher, 5-star Coulson, and a 4-star Proxima. Those are good. I will definitely take that. We've got the guaranteed 4-star tickets, so that's good as well. Now let's go ahead and open up these guaranteed 4-star orbs. I've got 6 of them, so that's pretty awesome. That could be an upgrade. Yeah, awesome. So getting Punisher and her, that's going to be a big upgrade to my defender team. That's a duplicate. But maybe I'll get a guaranteed 5-star. I think that's going to be a duplicate, yeah. Come on, let's get a big one. That's good, okay. Red Skull, it's a good upgrade. And then we get Red Skull again. All right. 2 more. Come on. Give me that 7-star. No. upgrade, but I mean, realistically, not too much use in that character. So with that, got the upgrades, but nothing too crazy. Let's see if I got a guaranteed 5-star. So I ended up with 2 guaranteed 5 stars. This is exciting. No, and it's a duplicate. Oh my goodness. A Ravager duplicate. Oh my god. Okay, I've got another one. Come on. Okay. The good thing about Blob, it's Brotherhood, and he's farmable. Okay. I'll chalk it up as a semi-win with Blob. Not all the orbs are open. Let's go ahead and take a look at the roster. I'm excited about Punisher right now. Let's take a look. So he's going from 52 to 69. Nice. Next we got Jessica Jones from 40 to 50. Another really big jump. Like that a lot. Everyone else, not really that important. Alright guys, that's all I've got today. Open some red star orbs. Boy, it is fun opening these orbs, and a little bit disappointing at the same time, but either way, I really enjoy doing it. I love sharing this with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.